Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy, the host of Chewy, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about M1 Finance, Acorns, Robinhood, Webull, and Coinbase, which is strictly just cryptocurrencies only. So as of right now, this is how much money I have invested. It's $13,289, and so it's going to be 12,000 M1, Fundrise is 800, Acorns is 106, Robinhood 35, Cash App close to $15, and Webull I have $50. And I started tracking this because I wanted to see how much growth I ended up getting like each and every single month, so then that way I can get more and more encouraged to keep doing this long term. And before we get started, if you are new to investing, make sure you check out the links down below because there are free stocks and free money waiting for you. Also, if you want to join my Discord/Patreon to get more of me and want to get with like-minded people like you and me so that we can grow our dividend investing and grow our businesses, make sure you guys check out the links down below. Alright, let's get started, guys. So we're going to start out with the smallest portfolio, and that's going to be this Robinhood portfolio. So all I have is SPHD and SDIV. So both of these are monthly paying dividend stocks, which is why I actually got into them. I know they underperform the market, but I just want to see the dividends come in each and every single month. So with this account, I'm putting in $25 each and every single week, so that way I can keep growing my portfolio. But these two are probably going to be like the only options that I am going to do in this portfolio, just because they're monthly dividend stocks. And so with this portfolio, within this 1 week of me having this portfolio, it's up about 1.56% or 55 cents, which isn't a ton, but I'm glad I'm making some money on this account. So next up is Webull. So with Webull, I actually do not have any stocks bought yet, but I do have $50 of buying power. Not, I have to wait until Monday because currently right now it's on a Saturday, and as you guys know, it's actually the market's not actually open right now, so I have to wait until Monday. But I'm gonna put in $50 more into this account, so I should have $100 in this account the next time you guys see another video. So with this Webull account, the thing that I'm gonna do with this one is just do more like risky plays. Like I'm not gonna do options or like do dumb stuff like that, but what I am gonna do is buy, like, let's say workhorse that could potentially be worth a lot more in the future, or it can possibly go down to zero. This is just play money that I can just like risk, and if I lose it all, I hope I don't lose it all, but if I do, then it won't really matter to me that much. Also, don't forget to get your 2 free stocks from Webull. The links will be in the description down below, because you get a free stock for just signing up, and then another free stock if you put in $100. So make sure you guys do that, so now we can get 2 free stocks, and so I can get 2 free stocks as well. So next up is going to be my Acorns account. So as of right now, I have $19.80 coming in because of the roundup investment feature, and I should have $30 that are going to come in here too. So on this account I should have $156 by the end of next time you guys see me, or I might have a lot more because the roundup feature, honestly, it just takes away a lot of money, but I'm glad it does because I just keep investing, keep making more and more money. And also, one thing that I want to point out is my portfolio is just on moderately aggressive, and there's 5 different levels. So there's conservative, moderately conservative, moderately aggressive, and then there's aggressive. And I have it on this one just because I'm not the most aggressive investor, but I don't want to be too conservative as well. So I'm just going to play it safe and just do this one right here, so then that way I get like the best of both worlds. Alright guys, so next up is going to be my biggest portfolio. That's going to be my M1 Finance portfolio. And as you can see, the name of it is passive income, and that is because one day I want this to pay for all of my expenses. And so right now I have currently like $12,000 in it, and $5,000 I decided to borrow, and it's just because it's such a low interest rate that it's honestly such a bargain. As of right now, at the all time, it's up 3.65%, or $582.34. And the one that's giving me like the most gains is this tech growth companies. And this one actually, like, there's a couple different companies. So I have Apple, Microsoft, MasterCard, Disney, Visa, and Skyworks Solutions. They all pay a dividend except for Disney, but I just believe in these companies so much that I just put them into one sector. that I think will do better than all of them. And then the only sector that's down is this healthcare one, and it's not even down by that much, so it should be coming back up within like a week or two, hopefully. One of the sectors that was actually on the red like about a week or two ago was this real estate one, but realty income like went up by at least 7 or 8%, and that helped this real estate one go to the green now. So as of right now, I have $35 in dividends that I've gained, and that honestly isn't a lot. But once I start to have more and more shares of each and every single company, then this number will be sky high. So as of right now, one of my goals is to get $100 in dividends in 1 month. This month we're probably going to reach about $50 to $60, so that's not going to be quite it. But within 4 or 5 more months, I should be able to keep receiving $100 in dividends each and every single month. Also, if you want to check out like my portfolio, it's going to be down in the description below, so that way you guys can see all the stocks that I'm investing in and all the stocks that have been doing amazing for me. Alright, so that does it for this passive income M1 finance portfolio. Now we're going to switch on to the cryptocurrency. And the place where I actually do my cryptocurrency like trading is right here on Coinbase. If you want to get into cryptocurrency, you guys can use my affiliate link down below, and you'll get $10 and I'll get $10, so that way you can invest with me. So I actually just put in this money today, so it's actually not even that much. I'm at $32.78. And the reason why I actually want to invest in Bitcoin is just in case it actually like goes up a ton within like this next year or two, then I'll be able to ride the train and then I can sell it for a profit. And also, just in case we do switch to like cryptocurrencies or like just digital assets, then. But as of right now, I'm only buying Bitcoin. The only reason I'm only buying Bitcoin is because basically everyone knows like the cryptocurrency is like Bitcoin, and all the other ones I don't really like know anything about, and I barely know anything about Bitcoin, but I just see everyone. But Bitcoin is just like a playful thing for me. I'm just gonna be putting in money, and just in case I can make some extra money, I'm just gonna put it in here and leave it just in case Bitcoin does surge up again like it did once. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys want to get started with cryptocurrency or stock investments, make sure you guys check out my links down below, so that way you guys can get either free stocks, free money, or both of them. But without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.